Hi, welcome back to stage 2 of our computer programming on Khan Academy. So the last thing we didn't do in our last class is confirming our email address, that we have access to this email. So once you sign up with your email, you will receive a mail like this. So check your inbox, then click on finish setting up. Okay, so once you do that, your email address will be confirmed and you will become a full student of the platform. You can see you are logged in already, so you are being directed to another page. So just wait for this to load and you are now in your dashboard. So go straight to starting on computer programming. You can see introduction to JavaScript. So click on start to start programming directly, and this is one of the best things you can do for yourself. So click on start. So once you click on start, you will be introduced to what JavaScript is, drawing an animation. So all you just need to do is start watching the video, pay attention to all the information you'll be getting here, then you are good to go. So the first thing is intro to programming, which is this. These are the lessons, which is this. So what is programming? It will be a video. Just click on it, it will take you to the video. You can see what is programming. There are YouTube videos, so you can start watching and you can see the transcript of this video here. Just hold on, let it load fully. Transcripts of what the content of this video is what you will get here. Okay, so this is transcript. You can see this is the transcripts. Hi, welcome to programming. If you never learned to program before, you might be wondering. Okay, so this video is muted. Let me play it for you.
Welcome to programming. If you've never learned to program before, you might be wondering what programming actually is. Well, when we write a program, we're giving the computer a series of commands that kind of look like a weird form of English. You can think of a computer as a very obedient dog, listening to your every command and doing whatever you tell it to do.
In case you are not really catching up with how fast they are talking here, you can easily get details of what they are saying. You can read through it here, so you can from there. So if you are done with this lesson, after you've gotten the concept of what is programming, you can proceed to the next class, which is this, and this is showing a kind of progress that you watch this video up to this stage. So you have to complete each of these stage, each of these video that is being shown to you. You must complete them so that you can move to the next lesson. So that is how you can begin to learn programming here. So let me just fast forward this.
Much more easily.
Let me just fast forward.
Now you just gotta keep going.
You can see it will take you to the next lesson, learning programming on Khan Academy. So just click on next, so it will take you to the next lesson. Okay, so you can quickly read through. In this course, we will be teaching you the concept of JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language. Okay, so JavaScript programming language and the cool function you can use with it in the processing JS. So whenever you see JS, it means JavaScript, that is processing JS library. Before you dig in, here is a brief tour of how we teach programming here on Khan Academy and how we think you can learn the most. Normally, we teach on Khan Academy using video, but here in programming land, we teach with something we call talk through. Okay, a talk through is like a video, but it's actually interactive. You can pause at any time if you want to play with the code yourself, and you can spin off if you want to make your own version of what we made. So I will show you everything they are trying to say here, but make sure you understand this. So this is what they are talking about. It's like a video, but it's not actually video. You can pause, you can spin off, and other things. Okay, so after a talk through, we will give you a step-by-step coding challenge. So after they educate you on this, they are going to give you challenge which you yourself you are going to apply, and that way they will be able to tell if you are good, and there will be a kind of progress bar somewhere that will be showing, yes, progress bar here that will be showing that, oh, you've completed step 1 out of 2 steps, so you can now further to the second steps. So once you are done with the steps, you will see a kind of small emoji that will be showing happy that you've completed this course. Congratulations. So make sure you read through all this information. So after all this, after you have consumed all the necessary information here, the next thing is move to the next class. Okay, so which is here. You click on start learning now. So, or just click on next class here. You can click on next class here. So you are done with introduction to JavaScript drawing and animation. So this is where the class starts from. So you can see what the video looks like here. I'm trying to make sure this video is not that long. It's already 7 minutes, so I will stop at 10 minutes exactly. I'll stop at 10 minutes exactly. So back to our programming. So start with,
let's begin programming by making a face with circles. To draw a circle, we need to use the ellipse command. So I'll type ellipse in this editor. After I write a command name in a program, I always follow it with parentheses and a semicolon.
Actually, this will take you 6 minutes. So pay attention to all the information. They make it simple by providing this lesson in a very pure, simple English language, and anybody can understand it. So take your time to understand this. So as for me, I'm going to fast forward this. I'm going to fast forward this to the end. Okay. So I'm going to fast forward this, that I'm done learning this. So this ellipse actually means circle in programming, and these are sizes and position of the circle. Sizes, this is, I think this is width, this is height, and this is the position, x and position. Okay, I think this is position, this is width, and this is height. Now let me show you what that actually means. Now if I should decide to reduce the size of this, you can see the width is being reduced. So, and why this controls how tall or the height of the ellipse or any shape that is inside this place. Okay, let me just use the number. So if I should put 700, you can see how tall it's going to be. If I should put 250, you can see how tall it's going to be. If I put 2500, you'll be able to see how tall that is going to be. So why this controls the position x and position y, that is where the circle is. This and this control the position of where the circle is. Okay, I can make it 190, I can make it 290. You can see, so that is position. So after you are done with this, move to the next class, which is this. So just take your time to learn everything here. So if you need any help, just contact me. I'll be available to put you through. So that is that on that. So I will see you as you progress on this. Bye bye.